Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a pin on a Huawei Fit watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the Quick panel. Then tap on the Settings cog to open the Settings menu. Find and tap on Pin. Tap Enable Pin. Now enter your desired pin. Enter the pin again to confirm it. You can turn the toggle on or off to the right of Auto Lock to make the watch lock when it's taken off your wrist or not lock. When the toggle is blue and in the on position, your watch will lock when it is taken off your wrist. When the toggle is off, the watch will not lock when taken off your wrist. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.